In this demonstration, I am going to present you how to do three-dimensional geometrical transformation using 3D Studio Max. First, I will create one teapot by using standard primitive panel. I am going to create this type of teapot. So that is a built-in tool available here, and we can apply that on the perspective view panel. After creating this one, now still I am in selection tool. This is the selection tool, and on top of 3D Studio Max you can see number of tools available. This one is for translation, this one we use for rotation, and this one we are using for scaling objects. Now first I will demonstrate you how to transform or translate the position of an object. Select the translation tool. Now you can see local axis for that particular object, and this is the global axis, this is the local axis. You can see the position of that object here according to x, y, z coordinates. You can change those coordinates and transform that, translate that object as well. For example, if you set this to 10, that will move. If you set this to 20, that will move. I will set it to 10 again. Now if you want to translate by using the mouse, you can use any of these panels, or top view, right view, left view, or perspective view to translate. Now here you are moving in XY plane, here you are moving in YZ plane, and here you are moving that object in ZY plane. Suppose I want to move it on YZ plane. So this is the way you can move, or you can position it, right? And here you can move in YX plane, and here you can move that object in YX plane. So you can move object along axis or that plane. If you are moving on that plane, this plane will be highlighted, otherwise this axis will be highlighted. Now next I am going to select the rotation tool. When you select rotation tool, and after selecting rotation tool, while that object selected on that screen, you can see these type of rotation axes or rotation options.